Now we will discuss about template literals in JavaScript. Template literals are introduced in ES6. These are also known as template strings. Template literals allows string interpolation, multi-line strings, and we can also do expression embedding. Uh, these provides readable strings compared to traditional way of doing the single or double quotes. So let's demonstrate this string interpolation. Let's create one variable, first name, initialized with John. Let's take another variable, age, 30. Now let's construct a string in a traditional way. Let's say I am concatenate with the variable name. Say I am John and I am 50 years old. Right? Now let's log this to the console. Okay, and execute this. We are getting the output as I am John and I am 30 years old. This is the traditional way of concatenating the strings. Okay, let's do it using template literal. Let's declare another variable saying message one and enclose this message in black brackets and remove these things. I am, and this is a variable. We need to enclose this variable in a dollar sign followed by two curly braces, and within which we'll put the variable name. And same applies for the age variable also. Let's do that. And let's remove these extra characters. Okay, let me remove these two. Now we have this entire string enclosed in backticks. Okay, let's log this to the control as well. Let me use log, which I have this written already, and let me use this variable here. And let me run this code now. Now I'm getting the same output. I am John and I am 30 years old. Okay, this is string interpolation using string template literals. Okay, now let's move on to multi-line strings. Let me declare another variable called multi-line and assign some string. This string will span multi-lines. This is a multi-line string, so I'll put this \n. What this does is it will print on the following line. This is a multi-line string. I'll use \n again so that it is printed on the next line. String. Yeah. Let me log this to the console. Okay. And now let me execute the code. I'm getting as this is a multi-line string. Okay. Now let me declare another variable calling this as multi-line 2 and enclose this multi-line string in backticks and ensure that you remove the new lines which are not needed when we use these backticks. Um, okay. Now log this to the console, multi-line 2, okay, and run the code. Now I'm getting the same output, that is, this is a multi-line string. Finally, we have expression embedding, and let me declare a variable called as num1 and initialize it with n, another variable num2 with 20, and let me take a resultant variable where now I'll use backticks, okay, where I'll say sum of num1 and num2 is, we will put the expression like this and log this to the console and rerun the code. We are getting sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, this is expression embedding. We are embedding this expression within the string, which is enclosed in a backtick. Okay, so this is about template literal strings. And in our previous session, we have seen this example where we have used the traditional way of concatenating the strings, but we will convert that into a backtick, okay, a template literal. When we do this, we do not need these things, okay. We're not concatenating anymore, but this is a variable. Let me change this to an expression, okay. Syntax. This is console.log. Correct. Yeah, this is right. So what this is mean? This means is that we are in the if the condition is current age is 45, which is less than, we want greater than, right? So we will increase this 25 and read on the code, and it says that it's been 15 years since you retired. It's been 15 years since you retired. Okay, this is the output, and we have converted from the traditional way of writing this concatenation using this backtick or using the template literals. Okay, this is all about the template literals, and that's all for now. Thank you.